pretty happy that we're at the point where we're pretty happy with our prototype. I think it's all going to work together. It looks like as I'm moving it, it works. I've addressed my little lucky band issue, changed that around a little bit. Only thing I'm thinking of that might be a problem is this washer might not be enough, but that's easy to fix. I can modify that later. Now comes to the good bit where you decide to model it. So what I'm going to do is go new, drawing. But in this time, rather than creating a drawing that has a frame or anything like that, I'm just going to create a basic drawing frame, but I'm not going to display the sheet format. So it's really important that you untick this box. I could, if I wanted to, instead of custom sheet, put in, say, the size of a piece of A3 paper. So that's generally what we would prototype our stuff on. Same thing, don't display the sheet format, okay. So now I've got a sheet where I can lay out or nest all of my parts. So one of the things you can't put in there, if you're going to cut with a laser really, is the assembly, because it's never going to be able to cut, the laser's never going to be able to cut that. It's just going to all fall through. So you don't, in this particular mode, you don't want assemblies in there. What you do want is all the parts. So if we go back to layout, model view, part 1, and because this is 3 layers, I want to lay out 3 of the parts. A couple of things I want to check is the scale is correct. 1:1, so that's real life scale. This is not going to be made too small or automatically scaled. So I'm going to need 3 of those part 1s. So this is called nesting. Now I'm going to get my other part, so part 2. I'll try and, in this case, put them fairly close together so we're not wasting material when we're modelling them. But I can't actually put them together because we don't want the laser to wreck our little project. Oops, that one. And see if I can fit the final one in here. Might be a bit tight, so I might have to move it a bit. So I might put it over here so we don't get too crowded. There's the 3 parts that I need already laid out on my potential sheet of paper or MDF. So I'm just going to bring these 2 together. And while I'm here, it's a good idea to delete some of these centre parts because the laser will just cut them out as well. So the last thing I need is my little retainer, so a little bone washer. And these are here because I have browsed them. So see here, Solidworks wants to try and get it to fit on the page. Just make sure you click on it. And we use 1:1. There, and we need 2 of them. We try and delete the centre. Insert part 3. Double check. -1. it's ready to be converted into a file that we can use on the laser. And what we use there is File, Save As, DXF. Folder, clamp, and I'm up to Mark 4 with this design. Clamp, name, give it a name because it's easier to find when we go to the laser. Its name, clamp, save, and Solidworks has now converted this ready to cut out on the laser.